Good job, Larry.
Happy Tia. Happy ka. Andiyan yung bird mamaya.
Alright.
Tsaka yung owl, nakita mo. Dami na nakita ni
Okay,
Tia.
now.
May dolphin na, no?
What has
Meron pang
face like a
acrobat
cat,
show.
a body like a
Mga
bear
iba-ibang
with a
animals.
long bushy tail and spotted popcorn? Ano po kayang animal yun?
Asan?
Well, the answer is right above your head.
Ayun.
And that is Luna, our girlfriend, also known as
Ano yun?
a bear cat.
Bear cat?
Now see that long bushy tail?
Ayun o. Bakit
It
siya?
helps them balance from the bite.
Ayun.
The tail has another purpose,
Wow.
and they can hang from it
Ayun o.
just
Ayun.
like that.
Ayun. Sabit siya oh.
Biturong sa pananasig. They chuckle when they are happy. They have a high-pitched wail when they are
Oh, happy
they will
Tia.
howl, run, and hiss.
Happy ka.
And they also use that butter popcorn smell to mark their and biturong sa pananasig
Kailan mo video daddy
so
oh.
that they can turn it backwards or walk down from the
Ayun
truck
o. Watch mo.
head first.
Wow.
Okay, Luna, show us.
Labi na ka. Labi na.